Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how you can download Microsoft Professional Edition 2024 for free without any license key. So just follow through on this tutorial and you will get it done. We'll go to Google Chrome or whichever browser you're using. Just type Microsoft Customization Tool. Then you go to the first result you have the Office Customization Tool. If you have a 32-bit machine, you should select this option, but I'm using a 64-bit machine. So you come under the products, you select Office LTSC Standard Professional Plus 2024 volume license. You come down. Let's leave Visio, but if you need Visio and project, you can select these ones. Leave everything as they are. Here, whichever product you don't want, you can toggle them on or off. So you can use Skype, you can toggle on Skype for business, but I'm going to leave it off. I don't need it. OneDrive for desktop, I'm going to toggle it off. Next. So select language. Is always advised to use English United States because most people profile their machines with this same language. So we'll come down and click next. Next. So I already have a standard edition, not professional edition. So I'm going to leave this switch toggled on to uninstall any Microsoft installer versions of Office, including Visio and Project. So next, I'll leave everything here as they are. Next. Next. So finish. Once you click finish, you come here, you export. Then it shows you this dialog box, and then you click Office Open XML Formats and come down and click OK. Accept the terms and license agreement. Export. So showing here because I have a file named configuration and configuration1 in my download folder. So I'm just going to come to my download folder and copy this, or I'll cut it, send to my desktop, but I'll create a folder for it. New Office. You can name it whatever you want, and then open a folder and paste it. I'll advise you rename this to just configuration, and you will see the reason when we're about to run our command line instructions. So we come back and we go to Office Deployment Tool for 2024, but we're just going to use the first results, and then we click download. Okay, so we go to the download folder again, cut this file and go to our desktop folder, new Office, and paste this file. This is an extractable file, so we're going to rename this and remove the suffix 1. Yes, we're going to just leave it like this. Then we double click on it to extract, and it's going to ask us which location. Yes, so we're going to double click on this file and accept the software license, and then it's going to ask us which folder we want to extract this file to. So we're just going to come to desktop because we want the whole files in the same folder. So we'll come to new office, which is this, and then we click OK. We're going to see the whole extraction here. Yes, files extracted successfully. So now that we have the setup file here, which is what we're looking for, we'll come to the address and just click Ctrl C, minimize, come to your start menu, type CMD, and run as administrator. Yes. So here we're going to just say setup space / configure space capital C. Oh no, that's not what to do. First of all, you change directory to the address you copied and press Ctrl V, enter. Then you type setup, because this is where the setup executable file is, setup space configure setup space / configure space capital C configuration .xml, and then you hit enter. You see that we're getting things ready, and by the time this is going to take a while, so I won't wait because it's just going to make this video longer. But you should, by the end of the installation, see that you are done. So you can see here that the progress of this installation at this point is 0%. It's going to take a while depending on your network bandwidth. So at the end, you should just see you're all set. Just click OK, and you have all your products from Microsoft Office 365 Professional Edition 2024. Please check the link under this video to see a link to activate your Windows without buying any license key. Subscribe to our channel, like and share. Comment also if you have any questions. Thank you.